How do injection molds work? Injection molds are an essential part of the entire injection molding manufacturing process, which is a manufacturing method that involves injecting molten material, typically molten plastic, into a mold to produce a variety of plastic parts and products. Injection molds are designed to shape the molten material as it is injected into the mold, and they play a critical role in determining the shape and dimensions of the finished products. There are several key components to an injection mold, including the cavity, which is the hollow space in the mold that determines the shape of the finished product. The cavity is typically created using a variety of techniques, such as CNC machining, EDM, electrical discharge machining, and other methods. The injection mold may also include several other features, such as core pins, ejector pins, and other components that help to shape and support the finished products. Once the mold has been created, it is attached to a plastic injection molding machine, which is essentially a large press that consists of a hopper for feeding the molten plastic material, a heating injection unit for melting the material, and a piston for injecting the material into the mold. The mold is clamped shut and the molten material is fed into the machine, where it is heated until it becomes liquid. The heated liquid material is then injected into the mold under high injection pressure, typically using a hydraulic cylinder. As the material flows into the mold cavity, it takes on the shape of the desired part or product. This is where the injection mold plays a critical role, as it guides the flow of the molten material and determines the shape and dimensions of the finished products. The injection mold consists of two main parts: the stationary half and the moving half. The stationary half is typically mounted to the injection molding machines, while the moving half is mounted on a movable platen. The mold cavity, which is the space in the mold where the molten material is injected, is located between the two halves of the mold. Injection molds are designed to be durable and long-lasting, as they are typically used to produce a large number of parts or products. To ensure the longevity and reliability of the mold, it is typically made from high-quality materials, such as steel or aluminum. The mold may also be coated with a variety of materials, such as chrome or other hard coatings, to help prevent wear and tear and improve the overall performance of the mold. Injection molds are highly versatile and can be used to produce parts and products with a wide range of sizes, shapes, and designs. The precision and accuracy of injection molds are key factors in the success of the plastic injection molding process, as the mold plays a critical role in determining the shape and dimensions of the finished products. Overall, injection molds are an essential part of the injection molding cycle process, as they shape the molten material as it is injected into the mold and determine the shape and dimensions of the finished product. By designing and creating injection molds with precision and accuracy, manufacturers can produce high-quality injection molded parts and products with consistent dimensions and complex shapes.